As you wake up after doing the gelatin trick, you might notice a subtle radiance to your skin, like the soft glow of a lantern on a summer evening. It's as if your skin is drinking in the nourishment, plumping up from the inside out and radiating a healthy, sun-kissed look. At the same time, your nails start to feel stronger, less prone to breaking or splitting, with a depth of color that looks almost polished. My friend, this is what happens when you harness the power of the gelatin trick, a simple daily ritual that's been flying under the radar. The gelatin trick works by providing your body with the building blocks it needs to repair and rejuvenate your skin and nails. It's not just about applying creams or lotions, but about nourishing your body from the inside out. Imagine being able to run your fingers over your skin, feeling the smoothness, the suppleness, and knowing that it's all thanks to the gelatin trick. To dive deeper into the gelatin trick and start experiencing its benefits for yourself, head to the link in my description for a comprehensive guide. For a quick start tip, check out my pinned comment below, where I share a favorite way to incorporate the gelatin trick into your daily routine.